Namaste children. In today's Abacus class, we will be learning subtraction of 7. So how to do? Let's see. This is 8 and you have to subtract 7. You do easily 5 from the upper beat and 2 from down beat. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. But if number is suppose 11 and you have to subtract 7, how to subtract? So in this case, what will you do? We subtract like this, less than, add friend. Add friend, friend means friend of 7. Which friend, which number add to another number makes 10, that is the friend of the number. So 7 and 3 both combine to make 10. So 7 and 3 both are friends. 11 minus 7, then less than. See, you have to raise your left hand first. Less means left. So less than, add friend. Less than, add 3. Friend of 7 is 3. So we'll do that like, okay. So less than, add friend. So 11 minus, we use the formula and 11 minus 7 is done. Now answer is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay. And suppose the number is 110 and you have to subtract 70. 110 minus 70. Same formula will be utilized, but this time we will use at the tens rod. Means you are subtracting 70 means 7 should be subtracted from the tens place. So for this, tens for this rod is this. So less than, add friend. Same formula will be applied at the tens rod because 7 is here at the tens rod. Okay, clear? So answer is 40. Okay, now let's do how to do practice. First of all, you have to memorize the formula. We'll do practice of formula learning. So what we do, we pose as ones, tens, ones, tens. So we'll set the abacus as 10 like this, so as we can memorize the formula by practicing. Less 7 is less 10, add 3. 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 Okay. Let's how to use in different combinations, different questions. So we had taken simple sample questions. Okay. These are simple questions. So first number is 6. Add 4. See, in addition what we do? Always we raised our right hand first. Less friend, add 10. So because you don't have here 4, only 3 beats are there. How to add 4? So less friend, friend of 4. Friend of 4 is 6. So less 6, add 10. Now 6 plus 4, we added, it is 10. Now the next number, 7. You have to subtract 7. Less 10, add 3. 2. You have to add 2. See, you have here 5 plus 1, 6 beats you have already at the ones rod. And you have to take 2 from this. So use the small family friend formula. Add 5, less 3. We had done. Revise that, okay? So everything will come in mind fast. So this is 5. Next number, 11, less 7. So less 10, add 3, 8. See, you don't have 8 here. So you need to take help of the tens rod. Friend of 8 is 2. So less 2, add 10. Add 4. 5. Okay, use the 5. Add 5, less 1. A small family friend of 4 is 1. So we made it for 16. 19, 9, 6. So less friend, less 4, add 10. Now less 7, less 10, add 3, add 5. So less 5, add 10. This is 13. Next is 13 plus 2. So use this small family friend formula. Add 1. Less 7. Less 10, add 3. This is 9. Now, 16 less 7. less 10, add 3, add 5. So less 5, add 10. Don't have here, so less friend, add 10. 8, don't have here, less the friend, less 2, add 10. Friend of 8 is 2, so less 2, add 10. This is 22. 11, 4, add 5, less 1, we added 4, less 7, less 10, add 3. Add 5, so less the friend of 5, less 5, add 10. Okay, it's 13. Okay, you have to practice like this. Keep on practicing. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will explain again. And see you next class. If you like it, please share with your friend and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in next class. Bye bye.